Baby, you make me feel. Baby, you make me feel.
Here's my quick purple lip combo. So first we have a brown liner. I'm using the OG MAC Chestnut Brown. I'm going to look this way at the camera because I need to see what I'm doing. So here we go. I love this liner. Now we're taking this NYX Marshmallow Butter Gloss. We got that. You're going to blend a little bit. With access, I just take my finger. Blend with your lip. I'm going to finish with this really light pale pink from Black Radiance and a little lip brush. So here we go, just like a little bit in the brush. And like pat it. So like the center has this really pretty pale pink. Close up. There we go. Really cute, really simple.